Hey, Dr. Heather here from Wellspring Chiropractic Lifestyle Center. This is one of a series of quick tip videos that will help you get better results faster on your road to getting healthier. This is not the same old that you've always heard. Each one is only going to be about 2 minutes, but it's going to provide improvements in your health trajectory for your life. What do you think? Is your body smart or stupid? Of course, your body is smart. Well, how do I know that? When we work our muscles, they get stronger. Our brain connects with other neurons when we learn. The nutrients in our food become the skin and the liver and the heart and the brain cells without any conscious effort. We have an innate intelligence that runs our body. Innate means inborn. That means you're born with this, and it's there your entire life until your last breath. Healing comes from the inside out, not the outside in. And the same is true for sickness. You don't get healthy, you do healthy. You don't get sick, you do sick. And so if that healing is happening, then you're going to be able to heal a cut on your finger, or use a fever to heal an infection, or to have 2 tiny cells join together to make one single fertilized cell, and in 240 days have an entire human being. The innate intelligence in your smart body knows the way to vibrant, robust health. Thank you for listening and letting us come alongside you on your journey.